I would request our President, Shri Peter Aka, also known as Pitambar Dalwani, to come and formally welcome all the guests, especially the awardees and the chief guest. Ladies and gentlemen, Pyara Bhaur and Bhenro, may I present to you our President, Mr. Pitambar Peter Dalwani.
Thank you, Brigadier. Good evening, everyone. Honorable Dr. Ram Bakshani, respected Dr. Ram Jawarani, Shri Lalit Santani, the founder president of our chamber, and this was galaxy of personalities who have gathered here this evening to honor Dr. Ram Bakshani and Dr. Ram Jawarani. I am highly obliged to you all having spared your valuable time to be with us here. Friends, ICC strives to provide a platform for all Sindhi's business personnel worldwide to use hands and to the facilitate doing business with each other. We have also small purpose for forwarding and the forthcoming for the cause of education every year for the needy children, especially Sindhi girls and students to perform to giving to the for the studies. To give you a little background of the ICC was formally established in January 2003 at Pune with the blessing of Reverend Dada J.P. Vaswani, our founder president Mr. Lalit Santani, who is here with us this evening, sitting with the ball rolling, and ever since then the baton has been passed on to Shri Ashok Kamdar, Kishu Mansukhani, who have been assisted by the very dynamic executive committee and the office bearers. Our membership only by invitations. The chamber encourages commercial activities between members in India and abroad, and also act as a facilitator. We have our own websites which to be updated from time, and we intend to have a directory of all our members conducting not only their basic data but also their business and commercial interests, as that is the primary purpose of ISCC. Over the last decade, we have established a tradition of identifying, recognizing and honoring prominent and elements in the personalities from all walks of life by conferring upon them Sindhu Gaurav Award at a glittering function like this. Just for record, I would like to tell you who were our awardees have been in the past. 2003-04, we had a late Shri Nari Gurchani, Senior Counsel Supreme Court. 2004-2005, late Shri K.R. Mr. Malkani, former Lieutenant Governor of Pondicherry. 2005-2006, Padma Bhushan Dr. L.H. Hiranandani. 2006-2007, Professor J.K. Bambani, Rector Hyderabad Sindh National College Abode. 2008, Sri Ram Jethmalani, former Law Minister of India and Senior Counsel Supreme Court, and Mr. Moj Mangdani from Dubai. Then 2008-2009, we had a Dr. Indu Shani, former Sharif of Mumbai and Principal HR College Mumbai. 2009-2010, we had a Padma Shri Govind Nyalani. Then 2011-12, we had a Padma Bhushan Dr. Suresh Advani, element medical oncologist. And of course, this year, the Sindhu Gaurav Award is the most eminent for respected Dr. Ram Bakshani, who I believe is also a professor, and we are very fortunate to have our chief guest in Dr. Ram Jawarani, whose services to the Sindh community are well known, but more about that later as the evening unfolds. Friends, on behalf of ICC, translated in Sindhi, Sindhi Vyapari Sangathan, which is of the Sindhis, by the Sindhis and for the Sindhis. And I am proud to be Sindhi and welcome you all. I now request Mr. Brigadier Bambani to progress this evening.